So guys, if you want to fix mobile data not working problem on your Redmi 15A, then don't worry about it. There's a simple and quick method to solve this issue easily. Just follow the steps shown on your screen, that problem will be fixed. And let this help you, like the video and subscribe for more. Let's fix it.